Now this question says that this diagram shows a square and 4 regular pentagons. Now if you look at the center of this diagram, you see a square. So these are all pentagons. Now they are called regular pentagons because all the angles are equal and all the sides are equal. Okay, they are like regular polygons. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the 5 sides are equal for each of them. Okay, now we're asked to work out the size of the angle marked X. This angle now marked X. Now first of all, looking at this, basically we're not told anything much, but we're just expected to have a knowledge about polygons, okay, and their angles in the polygon and things like that. Then with that we'll be able to solve this question. Now if we can find the angle, one internal angle of this polygon, find one internal angle of this polygon, take one of the angles of this square, add it up and take it away from 360, we can get this angle. Why? Because angles at a point add up to 360 degrees. Okay, so let's first find out one of the angles of this pentagon. Because it's a regular pentagon, the formula that is normally used to find the total internal angles of a pentagon, or of a polygon rather, is 180 into n minus 2. Okay, that is sum of internal angles. Now, but if you want to find out the angle of each internal, that's one of each internal angle, yeah, we're going to do 180 into n minus 2 over n. That's, we'll get the total of everything, all the angles inside the polygon, then we'll divide by the number of sides. Okay, that's each internal angle of a polygon. Okay, now having established that fact, we're going to do something now. We're going to put our n represents the number of sides. Okay, we're going to put our n as 5 and solve out this equation. So we have 180 into 5 minus 2 over 5. We have 180 by 3 over 5. Yeah, then you're going to have 108 degrees as each internal angle of a pentagon. Now we've established now that here you have 108 degrees, 108 degrees. Now for this square, this is 90 degrees. It's very obvious because if you divide 360 by, okay, let's still do this for the square. Since square has 4 sides, applying this formula for the square, you have 180 into 4 minus 2 over 4. You have 180 times 2 over 4. So you have 90 degrees for the square. Okay, since a square is a regular polygon too, or with 4 sides, so you have 90 degrees here. So your x is going to be, your x is going to be 360 degrees minus 108 plus 108 plus 90 degrees. Okay, all of them in degrees, so it's going to be 360 degrees minus, okay, the reason here is angles at a point add up to 360 degrees. Okay, 360 minus 306, so you're going to have 4 here, you're going to have 54 degrees, so x will be 54 degrees. Okay, it's basically that. Once you know about the angles in a polygon and how to solve out how to solve them, the formulas for them and all that. That's basically all you know. Once you know that, you can be able to solve any other question.